In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email to a task in ClickUp. This is a simple but powerful way to keep conversations tied directly to the work they're about. Instead of switching between your inbox and your task list, you can send an email from the task itself and keep everything in one place. That means better context, less confusion, and a clear record of what was said. Once you're inside the task you want to work with, look to the top right corner of the task window. You'll see a three-dot icon, sometimes called the More Options menu. Go ahead and click that. This menu holds a lot of useful actions, and the one we want is right there. From that menu, choose Send Email to Task. Clicking this opens the email composer right inside ClickUp. You don't have to leave the task or open another tab. The email composer keeps you focused and makes sure your message is always connected to the task where it belongs. Now it's time to send the email. In the recipient field, type the email address of the person or team you want to reach. Take a second to double-check the address to avoid bouncing or sending it to the wrong person. In the message area, write your email just like you normally would. Keep it clear and concise so the recipient knows exactly what the task is about and what you're asking for. If you're referencing details in the task, mention them briefly so it's easy for the recipient to respond. When you're happy with your message, click Send. That's it. Your email goes out directly from the task. After you've sent it, you can view the email right inside the task. It will appear in the activity stream or as a comment, depending on your workspace settings. This is great because you, your teammates, and stakeholders can see the communication history without digging through separate inboxes. It keeps the conversation anchored to the work, so anyone jumping into the task later can immediately understand what's happened and what needs to happen next. And that's the whole process. Open the options, select. Send email to task, compose your message, and send. It's quick, it's organized, and it helps your team stay aligned without leaving ClickUp. And that's how you send an email to a task in ClickUp. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials.